right, Mediocre Man Channel, here we are, fourth day here, trying to bang this thing out. I won't have time to torch it or stain it. I'm already supposed to be home yesterday. So basic goal today is to finish the roof and then hit the road. So what we're gonna do is put on the felt, put on the flashing, and put on the shingles. Hopefully this goes quick and easy. Who knows? So far, nothing about this project's been easy. Ran into a lot of issues, but it's coming out pretty good overall. So we'll see. All right, I did a little bit of preliminary sealing and caulking and that kind of thing, patching, and now I'm gonna put the felt on. Shouldn't take too long because the roof's not that big, so hopefully it'll be I think 3 sheets total, because each side's only 4 feet and the sheet is 3 feet. So first sheet, second sheet will go over the ridge, and then the third sheet. And using these cap nails made for putting those in. Kind of wish I had a staple gun at this point, but supposedly these are better than staples. But been here so long, kind of wish I had the staple gun. But there you go. All right. All right, a couple quick points about the underlayment. Number one, there's writing on it. There's like lines. That's face up. That's what you're nailing into along the lines. Number two, as you're going down slope, obviously you want what's down underneath what's above, like that. And then once you've got it nailed in, then you put the seam tape on. So I'm going to show you what it looks like now. All right, so we got it nailed in. Still need to trim this other side. And then we're gonna put on the seam tape. And we're done then with the underlayment. Time to get to flashing. All right, that's the seam tape. And we're ready for flashing and then shingling. All right, flashing's on. On the gable side, you go over. On the edge, you go under. You wrap the corners, of course. When you put the thing on, I put the whole thing on and then cut at a little bit of an angle, and the whole thing drops into place. So I think it came out pretty good. I don't want to fall here. So I can't see because of the sun. All right, so there we are. Flashing's installed. And we are ready for tile, or shingles. Okay, we're at the point now we're gonna put the shingles on. They're in shingle strips to make it easy and quick. I'll show them to you later. Okay, here's the panel. They fit one on top of the other with a 7-inch reveal. Easy way to shingle.